Hi crafty folks, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I have a little haul video for you. I recently placed this order with Scrapbookcom, some more crafty goodies. I'm on a bit of a shopping spree lately. I should probably stop, but there's just been so many good things and I have had a hard time resisting. So I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, this to start, I was excited. I was waiting for Scrapbook to get this. This is the new Catherine Pooler color. This is called Quartz. I collect the minis in the dye inks and then also the reinkers. Now, there are a couple new of the pigment line as well. However, I have not purchased any of the Catherine Pooler pigment inks as of yet. I do have some metallic pigment inks. Can't think of the name of them right off the top of my head. But I've been pretty happy with those. So I haven't jumped on the bandwagon yet for the metallic pigments for Catherine Pooler. So if you have, let me know in the comments if you like them, what your thoughts are, and maybe I will eventually get those. But at this point, I've just been steady collecting the dye collection. This is my main set of dye inks. So these I use for stamping, for ink blending, for watercoloring, for all sorts of things. So again, this is the new Quartz color, which I can't remember if it's, I think it might be in the Spa collection. Don't quote me on that. It's either Spa or Party. So let me know that in the comments as well. Okay, so I got that. Now I will show you, I got a couple freebies. Let me open this bag here. I think these were the two freebies. Sometimes they have one freebie, sometimes they have more than one. I'm trying to think of where the tag is. Usually along the top banner at Scrapbook.com, you'll see they'll mention it free. If you click that and scroll down, sometimes you'll find like a second freebie. So I don't think there's always two, but sometimes there is. So make sure you scroll down when you go to their website. So this was one of the freebies, sanding discs. This is kind of cool because these will, I'm assuming, work on the little wooden handles. Oh yeah, look, they have a little bit of, it's so cool. Okay, so they're Velcro on the back and then a sanding disc on the top. So this is really cool for like when you 3D emboss, like let's say you 3D emboss on a white core colored cardstock and you want to brush off the top of the embossing to show that white and kind of bring some drama through. This is a really handy little thing to have. So I didn't even realize these existed until I saw them as a freebie, and I thought, wow, that's a really good idea because you can just use them on your little handles. Let me see if I have one. Let's see if I have one here to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, yeah, something like this. So normally I have these little foam things. This is really on there good. My goodness. Okay, so I'm going to take one of these off and I will show you how they work. Yeah, so look at that. Nice and flat, little sandpaper discs. So super handy. I am excited about that. Okay, set this aside. Okay, another freebie. Magical Pattern Collection. 5 sheets of each pattern, 230 GSM. So this clearly has a Disney theme going on, which I'm not huge into Disney. However, I really liked some of these just general patterns, like the stars and the polka dots, and I like the red, black, and white colors here. So look at that, super cute. Look at that, Magical Day. So again, you could tie these into Disney or maybe just use the opposite side. Oh, look at those. See, those are great. These are just general good pattern paper for maybe like a matting layer or something like that. Okay, so these were the two freebies on this particular order. Okay, I'm going to show you what else I got. I'm a little crazy this time. Don't mind me throwing the box around and making a big old loud sound in the background. Okay, this one I have been eyeing for a while, and I think it was marked down. I will link everything below in the video description box. If you expand and scroll down, you'll find those details. But this is a Scrapbook.com exclusive. Obviously, you can see it's a happy birthday set. It's got all these sentiments. Now, this is substantial in size. This is a big stamp set. And look at this, all these coordinating dies. So you guys know what I'm going to do with this. You know, I'm going to be stamping and die cutting and filling up my binder. So I'm going to put this stuff in my sentiment binder. So I have this stuff ready to go. I feel like this one would be cool because you can kind of color it in with your markers or whatever, make it custom to match your card. But all of these, it looks like, have these coordinating dies, which makes me very happy. So very cool. A whole smattering of different ways and fonts to say happy birthday, yay you, hooray, yay, super cute. So excited about that. Looking at these. Oh yeah, these have them too, because there's these more square ones. So anyway, so this is a Scrapbook.com stamp. More Scrapbook.com word dies. So this is Let's Eat Cake and Birthday Wishes. So here's a photo on the back to show you. So these are layered dies. So you get the one layer of the words and then the background shadow layer. Super fun. So 2 separate dies for this, 7 pieces total. Again, Scrapbook brand. Okay, this, a lot of times I'll either leave the card blank on the inside, or I'll kind of add to it later, whether I stamp a sentiment or I put like a tailored expression simple strip on the inside of the card. But this was cool because this is inside birthday sentiment. So this is kind of more like when you buy a card from a store. It's going to have a little bit more of a substantial sentiment on the inside. So your birthday is a perfect opportunity to remind you of what a wonderful person you are. I can't think of anyone else that is more deserving of an incredibly happy day. So some kind of nice heartfelt options for the inside of the card to stamp. I have some that are kind of similar to this, but they're maybe a little bit more snarky. So I would say these are more traditional, general use for a birthday card. So maybe if you're donating cards or just kind of batch them or things like that, then something like this would be really good to have just as kind of a general inside stamping for the card. So this is Honeybee Stamps Inside Birthday Sentiments. Okay, and then the last 3 things that I got. I know you're shocked, but they're killing me, guys. Altenew is killing me with these folders. I can't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Okay, so I have Sweet Jasmine, Natural Wicker Pattern, and Calming Cluster. Now, guys, what I do, I know there's software, there's like an app to keep track of your crafting supplies, but I actually take pictures of everything that I have and kind of put them in Google folders on my phone so I can reference what folders I already have, because there are so many florals, and you guys know I have loads of these, but I can't resist. They're beautiful, and they all are kind of unique in their own way, so I keep buying them. They keep making them, I keep buying them. Okay, so Sweet Jasmine. These are 3D embossing folders, by the way. Sweet Jasmine. Here's a photo. Look how pretty that is. So this one I feel like is quite unique. This, I don't know, something about the shape, the composition of this. It is gorgeous. Very excited. So Sweet Jasmine. Okay, Natural Wicker Pattern. There are actually 2 wicker ones. There's one that keeps going out of stock, so I'll probably get that one eventually too. But this one, look at this, Natural Wicker. So this would be super cool to create kind of like a basket background. I love embossing just even on plain white cardstock. So this would be just really cool for like a background. Maybe you put like a popped up stamped floral that you die cut out on top of it or something. I don't know. Lots of possibilities. So Natural Wicker Pattern. Okay. And then the final one is Calming Cluster 3D. So here's a photo of that. Super pretty. So I love when there's kind of a variation in the blooms. This one looks more like a rose. This one is something else. Not good at flower names. I just know they look different and I like how it looks. So again, this is Calming Cluster. So 3 new Altenew 3D embossing folders. Got these freebies and some new stamps and dies, and that's going to finish my haul. So thank you so much for watching. I will link everything below. Yeah, thanks for spending time with me. I'll catch you next time.